What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today on this Hump Day Wednesday? If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back. Welcome to What's Up Wednesday, guys. Just here to do a quick update, actually, for What's Up Wednesday, just on a few projects. All right, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I got going on, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. check them out. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick update on a few projects. So this particular project right here, I'm actually not in the project any longer. I mean, it's not working anyway, but Smart Desktop AI has put a note in the dashboard here as of October 30th. Says here a test transaction will appear in your account for ACH and Bitcoin. Once it does, click the green button on the dashboard to release the remaining balance of your payment. A confirmation notice with the amount and timing will appear on your dashboard Friday morning. Pause. Now remember, we've been talking about this since July. Remember, they said, was it Labor Day, that they had submitted all the payments back during Labor Day time, right? And we should have gotten them the week of Labor Day. Now we're still talking about this in October. So again, I'm just giving you guys an update. I'm just, the credibility, I think, is just shot with them. But this is the status update. So this was supposed to be done back Labor Day. This is, okay. So anyway, that's that part. Let's go to the second part. SDAI has no official school group or Telegram group. All right, so we know that for those of us that's been around since, this thing started, the school group in Telegram was created by some other affiliate marketers just to keep everybody informed on what's going on. All right, but the official one was the one that was posted, all right, that we have been talking about, but it's no longer anyway. So there's the one that we were a part of the team with Corey and those guys. They don't have the Telegram anymore. The school is still up, but they've changed the name. They're not even talking about SDAI anymore anyway. So anything other than the one that those guys were in, I would not entertain. Okay, so that's the deal. The only official post from SDAI, which they're talking about, is here in your dashboard. Okay, but I had joined the school group for the one through, I forget her name now, but Corey and those guys was in it. But they're not even discussing this any longer. So be mindful of that, and that's what they're saying. Be careful of that. There's a lot of fake groups out there. So there are deep fakes with fake voices and personas circulating. If you don't see it on the dashboard, it's not official. So I get that. In regards to this project and what's going on as far as the status right now, only go to your dashboard and read it here. Okay, so let's see what else they're saying here. We have started sending out commission payments via ACH USA. Okay, so that's direct deposit, and Bitcoin outside the USA. You will receive those payments Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. The commission amount shown on the dashboard will update Tuesday. If you're outside the USA, please make sure your Bitcoin address is updated below. And they have that information below for the ACH and the Bitcoin. There's some boxes below on this page. So if you log in, SDAI, you'll see that information. All right. So just wanted to update you guys on that. But remember, again, for me, you said you had sent this stuff out back in September. So Who knows, right? So I'm just here to give you the information. But far as them talking about this tool, they say here's a DFY, email marketing AI funnel. My understanding, that's not really working. It's not functional. All right. But I'm still waiting on my commission. If or when it appears, I'll let you guys know. But that's the update. All right. Let's keep it moving. Let's see. Something else I want to talk. All right. Let's keep going. All right. We talked about this quick update. Herculist, an advertising company that's been around since 2001, in which you can advertise to thousands daily for free. It's like a safe list type of situation. You can get a free account. You can send out, if you do the free account, the link is in the description, by the way. If you do the free account, I'm going to put it on, you know what, I think I'm going to put this on Coffee and Coins too. So sometime today it'll be on there, but otherwise the link is in the description. If you do the free account, you will be able to send out to 1,000 people every day and hourly to 1,000 people. See, this is what it states here. You can also earn cash for reading emails. You can get free traffic every time you log into your account. You can also earn commissions. Okay? Even with a free account. They have a marketing system in here. We'll come back and do another on another day and show you some of that stuff as an affiliate. They have daily drawings and monthly contests. They've got a $5 sign-up bonus. But what I was stressing to you guys was the ability to be able to send out an email every day that's a part of your marketing, if you will, right? Because you need to be marketing your opportunity as an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, internet marketer, network marketer, right? You've got to get people to look at your opportunity. So this particular resource will allow you to do that. You're going to send out your main email, and then you have they have the ability to send out a submission every hour. So actually that's 24 times a day that you can do that. Now, if you upgrade for the $49 for the year, one-time payment is $49 lifetime. That takes care of you forever. You never have to pay that again. But that's lifetime membership, and you're able to send out to over, right now the count is what, over 370,000 members every day. All right, let's go in here real quick. Hang on. All right, so I'm a lifetime gold member, and right here, Herculist Gold Lifetime Membership, $49 one time, and you never pay again. Okay, they accept Cash App payments, and they accept crypto as well, and or you can do it with a debit card, credit card. All right, me, I'm a lifetime because I can send out an blast to over 370,000 people 24 times a day, guys. That's powerful. Again, you need to get eyeballs on your opportunity. Just having a website, having a marketing system, everything set up looking pretty and nice means nothing if you can't drive traffic. Traffic is people, visitors, buyers. They've got to keep coming to that website, right? So this is just another resource to help you do that. You can click a button every hour and push out your ad. All right. So want to show you that again. Get your free account. All right. You can get your free account. At least that's 1,000 going out, right? Maybe do that until you get $49 if you don't have $49. If you got $49, I say go for it and start sending this out. Okay. And you come up with your ad. All right. We'll talk about that another time as well, but that's the deal there. And they did pay me. I had some commissions. I showed you guys that I got on 1029, my $49.50. So they do pay out. Okay. So get you some traffic. All right, that's Herculist. Now, let's move right on. Let's see what else we got going on. And of course, my #1 digital program, right? Legacy Builder program is getting better and better by the pound. All right, this is a new update announcement. New call schedule alert, new onboarding support, and weekly tech call schedule. Looking to jumpstart your journey or need extra guidance on navigating your tech setup and community tools, right? So they're saying, hey, you need some onboarding, some extra help. We got you covered. We've updated our call times to provide you with even more and better support and momentum building. And see, these are the things that stand out from the other digital programs out there. This is some value you're getting, way over the top than you would normally get with a digital program. Because most owners are not going to spend that type of time into the program. They put it out there, which is, great. I've been in a lot of them. I still have some of those. They put it together, put it in a dashboard. You may get a Zoom once a month with the owner, or you may not. Okay, but this program, the owner is hands-on and always trying to improve and better the program. So this just shows you that as well. You can check this opportunity out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Link in the description, right? So this is great. New support schedule. Tech Tuesdays at 10 a.m. Pacific time with Michelle with 2 L's. There's 2 Michelles. You got the Michelle that owns the company. Then you have this Michelle with 2 L's. This is with her. With the 2 L's, she handles tech support. Get hands-on help with all things tech in your DGC program. You will not find that with these digital programs out here. Most of them, you sign up. If you have some technical issues, you got to send an email, and admin would have to get back with you, normally in 24 hours, but it's all via email or chat, right? Look what you got here. This is amazing. Then on Wednesday, we've got Tech Wednesday. So you got Tech Tuesday and Tech Wednesday. What? Tech Wednesday is at 2 p.m. Pacific time. So this is great, so it can kind of cover everybody, right? Because we are an international global company. People from all over the world can join this opportunity. Okay, as long as they got a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device. So this is awesome. So another chance to get tech support when you need it. So Tuesday, 10 a.m. Pacific time, and then Wednesday, 2 p.m. Pacific time. And then it says new weekly success and strategy onboarding call. All right. So weekly success and strategy onboarding. So just another value add to this program. Definitely something you want to take a look at, guys. Doesn't matter if you're not, as you can see, it doesn't matter about technical because we've got your support. So get it out of your head that, hey, I'm not really a tech person. Hey, I'm over 50. Hey, I'm over 60. Doesn't matter. From 18 to 80 plus, we've got people in here from all ages, from all walks of life. All right. So if you're looking to learn how to start a digital business online and you want the step-by-step hand holding, right? Basically, I mean, we can't do the work for you, but I mean, as far as all the support you need and what you need to do, we've got you covered. www.thecopypastemethod.com. You'll be able to earn $100, $300, $600, and $900 commissions with the blueprint that we show you if you follow it. Okay? So this is great. So I'm glad to see additional, just something else. Because again, a lot of times we get the programs, they stay the same for the whole time. Nothing ever gets updated. Nothing ever gets changed. Constant updates here. This is what's working now. You're always going to get the latest and the greatest strategies. All right. So here you are. In addition to what we were giving you on tech support, now you got another day. All right. So you covered. No worries. All right. Now we had another webinar, a free webinar this afternoon at 1 o'clock, I believe it was. So if you missed it, go to the link www.thecopypastemethod.com. I'll be sending that out to my list so you can catch the replay. All right, guys. And if you're interested in getting started, go ahead and do that as well. www.thecopypastemethod.com. And I'm here for support. My info is in the description as well. Join the 50 Club. All right. We're proud to be in the 50 Club. So I know you can do it, guys. There's too many people that's doing it. I mean, we on the channel, if you go back, you'll see a gentleman I posted, 63. Another lady this week we posted, she's 53. So there's no excuses. Take all that off the table. Clear your mind. And just go for it. All right. So those are all the updates I want to bring to you really quickly. If you see something you like, go ahead and check it out. Everything is actually on www.coffeeandcoins.info as well if you want to go there and see what else we got going on. But be sure to get this regardless of anything. Get this Herculist free account and start sending out 1,000 submissions a day. All right. All right, guys. That's it. That's all. Just wanted to bring that to you guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. This is where you're going to come here if you're interested in getting started with those 4 programs, Legacy Builder. Come here. Okay. This is what you're going to see. All right. So thank you for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.